What's up guys, welcome to the Andrew Tech Show, and in today's video we are going to unbox an iPad cover for 7th generation 10.2 inch. So let's go! So here's the cover, let's open it. Wow, the box is cool, doesn't it? Looks very cool. Now there's a sellotape over here, so I need to open that. So let's quickly do that. Oh wow, what's this? This is a stylus pen for iPad. It is so very cool. Wow, that's amazing. I love it. Now let's look at the cover. So my cover looks something like this from outside, and it's written over here for iPad 10.2. So now once we open it, wow, it's a trifold cover, and there is some sponge inside, so it looks like this. So it is a trifold cover, so once if you want to keep your iPad at the stand, you can just do like this, and there are magnets over here, so it will stick like this, and then you have to rotate it, and just you can keep it like this, and you can watch something on your iPad. So friends, now let's put our iPad in this. So here is my iPad. I'll place it in it, and there is it. And here is the stylus pen. So I can even write with the stylus pen, so I can do anything with the pen. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.